That's not.
Oh.
That's not. Watch. Only for only go. Maybe my own down.
Oh, I don't know if I can watch it. That movie. That FB.
You hear me?
Yes.
You think it's joke? You think it's joke I was making?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be going on a family little adventure. So we're supposed to go to the Indian River that's in Portsmouth, and probably by the beach or just somewhere to eat, I guess. So I hope you all enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and enjoy.
And the reason for that is because the river lies a little bit lower than the sea level. So it is mixed with both salt and fresh water. It's called brack. I don't like it's called brack or brackish water. So it makes a very good nesting ground for fishes. So if you look to your left, you can see how the wave coming down, right? So that's it. So when you shop at the bush bar, you can put some alcohol in the river, and then they get drunk and then they start jumping. So we call them the dancing fish. So Caribs mean cannibal, because when Christopher Columbus came to the island, he saw sticks on skulls, like skulls on stick. So and then when he met the tribe, the Kanagos, he thought that the people were eating people. So that's why they call him Carib. I take him back to teacher to school.
Whoa.
Okay, Papa, let's go.
Me last?
Yeah. She said she understands. So later, yeah? Just so in case the boat
Your bag.
Just in case
Your bag. So that's where the tour officially ends, stops?
That's where we stop.
Before we go back down?
Before you go back down.
There should be few.
You can take a small little walk. There's like a little bridge. You can take some pictures.
Okay.
Yeah.
Safe and tea.
Alright, so welcome to the Indian River Bush Bar. I thought Steve. I don't know him. No juice.
Come on, Kyra. Come here.
Come on, Kyra. Come, so you going?
So,
Yep.
we're going home now.
Now we're going for a walk.
Put your shoe.
Kyra, I thought I was going back so I can go in the sea.
After we come out on the little walk, we're going to go back on the boat and then we're going to...
What? On
Going
that
to
rocky boat again?
How do you think we're going to reach back? You're going to fly?
I think we have to walk all the way back, I guess.
Mister. So everybody was asking for Devon and asking for Devon and
Just finished the boat ride, and now we're just going to go to the beach, I think, or river or something. Okay guys, so now I'm walking to Coconut Beach, and I don't know, I might not bathe, but this is to pick me here. Cannot wait to bathe soon. I might just have to for her sake. But yeah. How I vlog and I just forget every second to vlog. I am now going to the vehicle. I go in the sea. I looking kind of dry, but I bathe in the sea. So now we're going to the vehicle and then home, I think. So today was nice. Today was fun. I did the Indian River boat ride once, but it was a long time, so I didn't remember anything. But today was bomb. Period.